Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I have 3 really gorgeous, easy Valentine's home decor DIYs to share with you. Great for a tiered tray. I am also part of Crafted by Corie's mini challenge, which I will go over her channel and playlist a little bit later in the video. If you like these videos, I would love it if you could go ahead and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's begin with the DIYs. So for my first DIY, I'm just going to make this really cute little garland. My inspiration was from Dollar General. I saw this one little garland. I'll show you in just a second. I thought, you know what, I'm going to recreate this, but more for a Valentine's theme. I think their nautical stuff is coming out right now, so it looked more nautical. Taking some of these wooden beads that I picked up a whole box of these from Amazon, different sizes. This is the 10mm beads, I believe. Just going to take 16 beads, paint them with this folk art ballet pink, and now I'm going to, I dried them off with my blow dryer to speed up the dry time, taking some of this jute twine, threading it through. What I did was I took 4 natural wood beads, threaded those on first, then put the pink ones on, and then I put 4 more natural beads. And now I'm just going to make a little tassel, just using some of this jute twine that I picked up from Walmart a while ago. You guys just follow. It's so hard to explain the tassels, but I have made so many of these in my videos. Yes, so here I am just threading the tassel on to the end of this garland. Now, as you see, these beads are small and this garland is a little mini one. Of course, it goes with the mini challenge. How perfect. So you see me just cutting open the ends of the tassel, and all I did was use I have one of these handheld steamers for clothing. And what I did is I just steamed the tassel just to smooth it out. Be careful, the steam is very hot, so I just put it in front of the steamer and then I pull it away and just gently use my hand to kind of manipulate it to make it look straight. And then once it's cooled off, you see here I just cut off the ends to make it all nice and straight. These little wood signs came out from the Dollar Tree last year. There's like a little pack, I think they're laser cut wood pieces, very thin, so be careful, these can break, but just be very careful. So it gave the Be Mine a coat of white paint, or 2 coats of white paint on both sides, and this is the final results. What do you guys think? How cute is this? It is so tiny and it's so perfect for the mini tier tray. All right, guys, you guys know Crafted by Corie hosts these challenges every month, the 3rd Friday of every month. She is awesome. She does these kind of crafts as well. Loves the Dollar Tree crafting also. Please go over to her channel and the playlist once you finish watching my video. I will leave all the links in the description box below. All right, guys, the second DIY. This inspiration came from my good friend Carrie's Crafts and Things. She has an Instagram account. This is what she did, something like this, but I'm just going to do my take on this. I'm just going to make a vintage looking heart. You guys know these wooden hearts came from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint one side and the edges with the folk art ballet pink. This gorgeous scrapbook paper came from the Dollarama. I've used it a few times. I know Carrie has used this scrapbook paper as well. So what I'm going to do is Mod Podge this gorgeous heart print on the blank side with the Mod Podge. So all you have to do is really press it down firmly. I usually wait about 15 minutes, cut off the excess. Now I'm just taking one of these diamond nail files from the Dollar Tree and just scraping off the edges. You guys know this trick, but make sure you always push the file away from the paper, not towards you, because you don't want to pull the paper off the surface. So this is a really great trick, gives you that nice clean edge that you see here. So now that is all dried, I also poked a hole through the existing hole just using a bamboo skewer, and now I'm just going to dry brush the edges just with some white acrylic paint just to make it look a little bit more weathered. So I realized I was all out of white lace ribbon, but I found a piece in my scrapbook or my scrap bag. So this is perfect, perfect length and everything. So I just threaded it through using my floss threader, and now I'm just going to tie a knot. This way I can just make it turn into a little hanger or a hook so you can hang it on a tree or whatnot. But my intention is to be like Corie, just kind of display it on my tier tray. What do you guys think of this one so far? I'm going to show you my whole tier tray setup at the end of the video. I just love this. I think it's so vintage. It's so soft looking. I just love this ballet pink by Folk Art. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, for my third and final DIY, this little board came from the Dollar Tree. It had a little love, like a metal or a galvanized metal love sign on it as well, but I took that off previously. I don't know where I put it, but anyway, I'm just going to cover this up with 2 coats of the white acrylic paint, covering up the words as well, painting the sides as well. So this little love sign came from my good friend Pamela. She sent me a little care package a while ago, and this was in it. Thank you so much, Pamela. I get to use it in my DIYs. I also had these little wooden shaped hearts. I believe these came from the Dollarama. There was 2 sizes as I'm showing you here. I'm just going to take 3 of the smallest ones and give the love and the 3 hearts 2 coats of the Folk Art Ballet Pink. This is a theme with this video, the Folk Art Ballet Pink. So here I am just going to place it on the board, just kind of thinking of where I want to put it. So yeah, always remember to place your items down first before actually hot gluing it, just so you make sure that everything's center and whatnot. So you see here, I didn't show you this part, but I went through the little edges in the board with a black Sharpie marker. I do not like it, so I did not show you either. But after everything was all glued on, I actually took a really tiny, fine tipped paintbrush and went over the black Sharpie marker. But what I did in the meantime is I used my nail file and roughed up the edges a little bit just to make it rustic. So yes, you can always correct something even after things are glued on. What do you guys think of this one? I loved these DIYs. They all fit so perfectly together on my tiered tray. What do you guys think? Please tell me which one is your favorite. Thank you, Corie. Thank you, Pamela, for all the inspiration. I love you guys. And don't forget to go over to Crafted by Corie's channel as well. And the playlist link is going to be fabulous. I will leave that in the description box also. Thank you guys so much. Please, I also have an Instagram account where I do show you my crafts. I also show you what I find at the Dollar Tree. And I would love to see you there. I do say hi to you there as well. And remember, I do post videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. If I'm in a challenge that's on a different day, it would be awesome if you guys could just hit that subscribe button and just click all. That way you will be notified every single time I upload a new video. That's it, guys. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. We'll see you guys at the next video.